A lot of people believe that coding is a great career option, thinking that once they learn to code, they will become rich. With that thought, they start their journey, but after some time, they begin to feel like coding is not for them. And honestly, it's not their fault. We see others around us succeeding and make decisions based on that. So in this today's video, we will talk about why most developers never get hired, the mistakes they make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them and become part of the 1% who actually succeed. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing I want to explain here is learning without a goal. Many people start learning coding just because others are doing it. They don't have a goal. They jump from Python to JavaScript to C++ and end up confused. If you don't know what you want, you cannot reach anywhere. So before starting, choose one goal like web developer, app developer or backend developer. Once you pick one path, stay focused and build around it. The next thing I want to discuss is getting stuck in tutorial hell. This is one of the biggest mistakes. You keep watching tutorials again and again but never build your own projects. It feels like you're learning, but in reality you are stuck. So make sure after learning every topic, make a small project, even a simple one. That's how you start learning for real. Third thing is not having real projects. Many people only have certificates, but recruiters want to see what you have built. They don't care about how many courses you completed. So make sure to build at least 3 to 5 good projects and host them online. You can use platforms like Vercel, Netlify or GitHub to get free hosting. Once you do this, it will make your profile look professional. Fourth thing is weak resume. Many resumes are just like lists of skills Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but that's not enough. You have to write about what you did with these skills. For example, I built a web app for notes or created an API for login system. In addition, you can also add your GitHub link. It gives proof of your work. The fifth point is not applying smartly. Some people apply to every job they find. In the other hand, some people never apply because they think they are not ready. Neither of them is correct. You need to apply early even if you get rejected. With each rejection, you learn something new each time. So before applying, change your resume for each job and make it match the role. The sixth point is ignoring soft skills. Coding is not only about typing code. You also need to explain your ideas clearly. Many developers fail interviews because they cannot explain their project. Practice talking about your work, keep it short and simple. It shows that you understand what you built. The seventh point I want to highlight here is no online presence. If you're not posting anything on LinkedIn or GitHub, then it will get harder for people to find you. So be a little active, post about your projects or what you're learning. Even one small post a week can help a lot. Point number 8 is poor interview practice. Many people know coding but still they fail interviews. Why? Because they never practice problem solving. Learn basics of DSA. You can explore arrays, loops and functions. Do mock interviews with a friend or with ChatGPT. The last thing I want to add here is giving up too early. This is the most common reason people give up after 3 to 6 months because they don't see results. But remember one thing, getting a job takes time. If you stay consistent and improve yourself step by step, believe me, you will get there. You just need to have some patience. So these are the reasons why 90% of the developers never get hired. But if you avoid these mistakes, you can be in the top 1%. You just need to stay focused, build projects and keep going. Success will definitely come to you. So that's it for today's video. Comment your best part about this video in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.